We are playing For the Girls.
Yeah. Okay, so since we're playing For the Girls, I've decided to introduce them. First we have Flossie. Her hobbies include drinking matcha and sitting on her phone in the dark. Fear, bugs. Catchphrases include, well, gals, and singular boy. Next we have Carly. Her hobbies include getting a caramel macchiato from Starbucks and always having really good outfits. Fear, the ocean. Catchphrases include, ma'am, dog, and we should get coffee. Lastly, we have Grace. Hobbies include running a lot and getting no sleep. Fear is random people. Catchphrases include, want an Oreo? Can I have an Oreo? And what was I saying again? Congratulations, now you know the girls.
We're playing, no.
Well, we know,
gals.
but tell us
Absolutely
more.
Zero context.
My foot was weird.
It's fine. Don't know what else to say, boys.
Oh, okay. We're only documenting our dares.
It's
Thank
a
you.
heart.
It's a red
Well, that's not that bad. No, it's bad.
It's just awkward.
I did it. I don't even know what
that
they would do.
means. Like, I don't even know. I don't know what the bachelor
Just tell them about
It's
yourself.
like you go on a show to compete with other girls for one guy.
So you have to like go tell them about.
So be like, I'm
So-
Grace, I'm this, and I'm looking for love.
I'm Grace.
No,
I'm vegan. I like Oreos.
Okay. And
absolutely.
olive.
Pickles.
Those are fire.
Very
Or
boring.
they butter pickles.
That's it.
Yeah.
You're not on the show.
That's unfortunate.
Good try.
Thanks.
You can
My
text
sister's
their sisters.
20. I mean,
Which is the best option here, really?
Yeah, so maybe Flossie's
13-year-old or
sister.
15-year-old.
that's really weird. She
Yeah.
will block you instantly.
Okay, I'll do you.
You'll do my sister?
Yeah.
She's gonna be so creeped out. It's fine.
I put an emoji.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little kissing emoji.
No, the heart with the,
Oh, sorry.
it's like,
Heart.
with the little hearts around.
Oh,
Wait,
God.
read it again.
Hey, Anna. Call my.
Is it Anna or Anna?
Anna.
Okay.
So, I really like you and wanted to confess my feelings for you.
I'm cringing so hard.
She's gonna tap on my profile. She's gonna know that you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She's probably gonna be like, something's
She's probably
wrong.
Does she know who you're with right now?
I'm sure she will. What?
Does she know who you're with? Like, does she know?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Hi.
Nickelback.
Just type it.
Well, did you take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
So type.
No. No.
People are gonna suspect something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Good for me.
I don't know how to do that.
Just do it.
Just attempt.
Wait, what?
You're not supposed to move forward.
Can anyone do the worm here?
I don't. Wait, isn't it?
I did-
really,
I
You have to do it in place.
You have to like.
Oh, everyone's going.
Like, that's just a blank, man. Like, ow!
Carly, you look like a fish.
Wait, like that?
No.
Okay, that's great.
Cut off a chunk of your hair with scissors.
Yes.
No.
Just take a short piece and make it shorter.
Alright then.
That's a lot.
Really?
That's a lot.
No, it's literally not.
Did you already cut it? Hold it up.
Wouldn't even notice.
You can barely see it, but that's good.
I hate
Chunk.
I don't know if she walks over and she goes, hi! This is our dance. Do not disagree. She goes, well.
Okay, that's enough.
Well. And she goes, well. And then she says, boy. And she says, gal. She goes, what's up, gals? What's up, boys? One or the other. That's it.
Look at the camera. Stare at it. Go.
You don't like it.
No, I love it.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. Go play. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. Get laid, or is it go play?
I have no idea.
That's all I got. Thank you. Enjoy. Explain what you're doing.
So yes,
I'm
what
not
are you doing?
explaining. I cannot.
Okay, Julia, you
I
explain.
took
Go.
a screenshot and now it says in the chat that I've screenshotted the chat. And now I'm gonna send it back.
In the chat.
And that's all. Yes.
These are good.
I have metallic markers. They're in between Expo and Sharpie.
Okay.
Cool, let's do that.
No.
Do you want to lay down flat?
No, you just can't touch my neck. It tickles.
Oh.
Ew, I hate this feeling.
No, that was just your chin. That was just your chin. Look up. Look up, man.
Touch my neck.
Stop smiling.
You're gonna touch my neck.
Stop. Leah.
Flossie, do you want to read it?
So your forehead says I'm the, your cheek says captain, and your chin says now. I'm the captain now.
I'm the captain at work. Captain now.
Log on to my Instagram story.
She's making fun of me.
No, man. I'm going.
Just explain your nightly routine. Just make it up if you don't have one.
Basically, brush my teeth, as you should do, because I'm the dentist. Then, what you gotta do is wash your face with some Cetaphil.
Cetaphil. Oh,
Cetaphil. And then, you gotta put on some cream. I don't know the name of. And that's it, boys.
Just, yeah, do that.
Am I doing this badly?
Yeah, no, it's like Miranda sings.
Oh, no.
no.
No. Get that plump lip. Let's get some more.
It's great.
So currently we're counting our cards to see who won. And it's definitely not me. There's everyone counting. I guess I should count him. Well, Julia, do you want to make a final statement?
Oh my god, I should delete my comment.
Well,
Oh, it's time for you to
Forgot
wash
about
your
her.
face
I do
off.
have to wash my
She's
face
gonna get,
off.
like,
We
still
will
get
see
the
you guys
notification.
tomorrow
I don't care, I
at the
want it gone.
beach. Zooming in on Carly. Just cause she's sleeping. Okay, you know what? Grace told me I should vlog because we're in traffic.
Yeah.
We're on our way to the beach.
It's
Ocean City.
supposed to be kind of bad. It's like it's all the way down the road. We left a little late, and that's Julia's fault.
I forgot my money, but
Yeah, and then she took forever to get ready.
I literally didn't.
They're just vibing in the back.
Yeah, Carly's not really talking, but that's okay.
We have some nice peaceful beach music on now.
Yeah, we do.
It's better than Julia's crappy Apple Music. This is Spotify, I must say.
Apple Music is a vibe. You just need to make your own playlist. Say goodbye. Okay.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
How to go over the bridge.
Can't wait.
I'm tired, so.
We'll announce this for the vlog. Hello, we're here. Grace is snapping. Oh, she has her AirPods on. Did she connect them to my phone? Somebody asked me if I was famous last time I was at the beach, so we're trying to figure out who to say we are if we get asked again.
We're pretending to be famous.
I'm Charlie D'Amelio. Let me know if you agree. She thought that I looked like Charlie D'Amelio before she met me.
I did. You just came in one day, like not working, and I saw you, and I was on self-checkout, and I was like, she kind of looks like her. I think I want to be one of the boys.
Well, you can't.
I think I could look like that.
Grace could low-key be Dixie. Waiting for her to choose her
I don't
character.
look like any of these people. The only other person that doesn't have blonde hair is this one right here, and I don't look like her.
You don't look like her. You could be a blonde-haired person. You dyed it.
I dyed it.
You dyed it.
The problem is I don't look like either of those two. I guess maybe her.
You could be her.
Her.
Yeah, you could be
That.
her.
Gotta find out when your name.
I don't know how.
Hi boys. We out
Hi,
here.
boys. Hello.
Hi boys. She's looking it up.
They have a verified account, do they not?
I don't know. I don't even think they can see your screen. To be honest, it just looks black. Hi pals.
You're Maddie Monroe.
Maddie Monroe. That's me, boys.
That's Carly.
Apparently
today.
that's me.
Grace doesn't know, but she's Dixie.
That's Dixie laying in the sun.
It's not crowded here, so we chose here. Hello.
Hey, boys.
Grace is just sleeping on the ground. We stole Grace's kettle corn.
We're gonna eat it. That's definitely the ice cream shop. That's what I was talking about earlier, the bell.
Oh, but we don't want that ice cream. I want
Well,
the
no, I'm just saying.
I'm gonna look up what street it's on.
Okay.
To see like how far up the boardwalk it is.
So here's the corn. Here's your bag, boys.
Well, our ice cream place we were gonna go to is closed.
You can get ice cream at Deborah Fry's in it.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to do that.
I don't like vanilla. Yucky.
I don't like you.
The seagulls are coming to get
And I
us.
dropped the corn too.
I say let them come attack us.
Look at my shin compared to yours.
They're not tan though.
But they are.
I feel like I'll be tired on the way home.
Oh yeah. I think I'll fall asleep. I never slept on the way here, but I almost did a few times.
Oh, Carly, it's next to you. Do you think there is water?
We should go buy water. Oh, this is so hard.
Wait. I think we're going this way. I'm recording us struggling.
This is great.
Grace, what you doing there?
How is she doing this?
We got there. Hey.